After you connect to the outlet, this is what you do. So, hello everyone, this is Edwin. Thanks for dropping by. Welcome back to the channel VedQ5 TV. In this particular video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to use this Greenwood electric pressure washer. If you're interested, let's get started. Okay, at the back of this is a quick start guide. So first you have to connect this connection, this green and this black, and this one connect to your electrical outlet. So I already connect this outlet, and this one connect to your water outlet. Okay, see, I already connect that. You have very easy. And this one connect to your hose guide, your pressure. You have two choices of tips, the green and white. Basically it depends on you whether you like this one or this one, but for the basic purposes of demonstrating this, how to use this basically, we're gonna use the green one. And there's a on and off switch. Okay, so I already connect the power and the water and this one. Okay, this one is your tip of the hose. So this is a quick release, as you can see, and we're gonna select the green one. Okay, the green one connect to this one. It's a quick release, so you have to pull this, push, no, you have to pull, so pull. In order to release, you have to pull, and that's the way you connect this one. You have to pull. Okay. Once you already connect this, all you have to do is turn the power on. Make sure to turn open the water first. Okay, now turn on. You will hear that first sound. It means it's ready. Okay, and then press this one. So that's it. That is how you basically use this, how to power this Greenworks electric pressure. So if you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe or like or make a comment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay strong. God bless. Bye. After you connect to the outlet, this is what you do. So it's already set up. This is the two tips. This is the two tips, the green and the white. Yeah. Okay, and as you can see here, all you have to do is, if you want this green, so it's a quick release, just like the drill. See, quick release. Now turn the power on. So red and green on, right? And then this one, you just press this one. Let's sample. Okay, that's the simple way to use this, the basic way. So I hope you like this video, guys. Follow me for more and stay safe. God bless. Hello guys, this is Edwin. Welcome back sa channel VedQ5 TV. I'm gonna show you how to operate this car electronic washer. This is the brand Greenwood. It's a 1700 PSI and 1.2 GP gallon per minute. So this is how do you use this. Okay, there are, what do you call this?